Welcome back to our channel. And before we start guys, I just want to say thank you sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-like, at nag-share ng videos natin. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and click the notification button so you will be updated once we have new videos. Ayan. So today guys, back to low carb na tayo since start ng fasting. Kailangan natin bumalik sa low carb para hindi tayo lagi nagugutom. So today guys, ang gagawin natin is one of my favorite kasi ito yung binibili ko sa mga Starbucks, ganun, Coffee Beanery. Ayan, ito ay ang carrot cake, but we will make it like low carb carrot cake. So for sure yung mga carrot cake lovers makaka-relate dito at magugustuhan din nila to. So start na natin guys. So, here's our ingredients, guys. Na-prepare ko na siya. And I already buttered our baking pan. I think this is 7 or 8 inches. Since, kung wala kayong 7 or 8 inches, you can use 2 6 inches of baking pan. But, gusto ko na lang ng isa. Atiin mo na lang to kapag may 6 inches ka. Then, I already preheated our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So, on this one, guys, I put 2 cups of almond meal or almond flour and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You will be needing also 3 large eggs. And then this one, half a cup of coconut oil. But since I don't have coconut oil, I use extra light olive oil. Ayan. And then this one is erythritol or lakanto. You will be needing 1/3 cup. And then this one is the dried blueberries, half a cup. Ayan, nilagay ko na siya dyan. You will be needing also cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon. And then our grated carrots, 1.5 cups. Ayan. Huwag mo na siyang pigaan guys since we will be needing the little water niya para maging moist yung cake natin. Huwag mo na siyang pigaan. So this one is also you can use walnuts, but I use pecans since I love pecans. I use pecans, half a cup. But you can use walnuts, guys, if you don't have pecans. Okay? So, start na natin. Guys. So, the eggs is here. You will be needing 3 large eggs. And then, lightly beaten lang siya. And then, pwede mo nang isama yung oil, coconut oil, or I use extra light olive oil. So, beat it with the egg. This is also simple, same like what we are doing. Ayan, so, mix mo lang siya. And then you can put the cinnamon also. Yan. As well as the sugar. So, mix mo lang siya, guys. At kapag na-mix mo na siya, you can put the grated carrots. So, next will be our carrots. You can put all the carrots. Ito yung magbibigay ng moisture. Ayan. Sa ating cake. And then our pecans. Put it all. And our dried blueberries. Put it all together. Yan. Pagka na-incorporate na siya lahat, guys, then you can put it in your bowl or baking pan. So, okay na yan, guys. Let's put it in our baking pan. Again, guys, you can use 2 6 inches if you don't have 8 inches or 7 inches, you can use 2 6 inches. But since I want only one piece, one layer of cake, so I use 8 inches. But actually, this one you can use 2 layers. Ayan. So, yan na yan, guys. So, ayan na. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating oven, guys. We will be putting this one to 180 degrees Celsius for like 30 minutes. Ayan. 30 minutes. Check nyo din, guys, kung kasi mas malaki itong ginamit ko. So, maybe I'll be needing like 35 minutes. But if you will be using 2 6 inches, then you will be needing like 30 minutes only. Okay? Para sa ating frosting, guys, ito na, nilagay ko na siya dito sa ating mixer. You will be needing 100 grams of butter and 200 grams of cream cheese. Then, yung sa sweetness niya, guys, it's up to you, but I use 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol. Ayan. Kung wala kayong powdered erythritol, pwede mo yung normal na erythritol or lakanto, i-blender mo lang siya para maging powder. Or kahit hindi mo na siya i-blender, okay lang, ilagay mo na lang siya dyan. And then, gawin mo lang siyang creamy. So, start na natin to. So, kailangan lang, guys, yung mga ingredients natin dito sa frosting is room temperature para madali siyang mag-cream. And then, once in a while, you just need to scrape the bottom para ano siya, mahalo-halong mabuti. So, ito na yung ating frosting, cream cheese frosting. So, yung sa tamis niya, guys, depende sa inyo ha, kung gaano katamis nyo gusto. Pwede nyong dagdagan ng 3 tablespoons of erythritol or lakanto. Yan. Hintayin na lang natin na maluto yung ating cake natin para lamigin natin, then ilagay na natin to. Ito na yung carrot cake natin, guys. Kakalabas lang niya sa oven. Ayan, mainit-init pa yan siya. Palamigin lang natin bago natin ilagay yung ating cream cheese. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating carrot cake, guys. And this one, nilagyan ko lang siya ng chopped pecans, roasted pecans sa ibabaw. Pinatong ko dun sa may frosting natin. Yan. Let's slice this one. So, guys, andito na ang ating finished product. Yan. See how moist? Nati ko na siya. And, ayan yung carrot niya. Kitang-kita siya. And, as usual, let's taste it. Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya, guys. Nakasarap tong yung pecans na nilagay natin dito sa top, yung roasted pecans. Ang sarap niya. Ayan siya, guys, oh. Ayan. Sa mga mahilig sa ano dyan, guys, sa carrot cake. Ayan. Kitang-kita yung carrot cake. So, yung mga mahilig dyan sa carrot cake na gaya ko, ako to talaga yung in-order ko sa mga ano eh. coffee shops. Ito na yung para sa inyo kasi almond flour ang ginamit natin dito. Tas very safe siya. Ayan. Tas hindi rin raisins ang ginamit natin guys. Blueberry. Blueberry para hindi siya masyadong ma-sugar. Kaya yun ang ginamit natin. Dried blueberries. Ayan. So, eto guys, perfect na perfect to. Ayan. Perfect to sa breakfast and sa merienda. Ayan o. Pinuno ko siya ng roasted pecans guys, kaya mas lalo siyang sumarap. So, ayan na guys. Tapos na ang ating low carb carrot cake. So, I hope you will try this recipe dahil talaga naman guys, super sarap. And for sure, magugustuhan din to ng mga hindi nagda-diet kasi lalo na yung mga magulang natin. Magugustuhan nila to kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis and very safe siya talaga. So, sana matry nyo siya kasi super nice talaga niya guys. Sa mga mahilig sa carrot cake dyan, gaya ko. So, this is for you. This recipe is for you. So, thank you so much and God bless guys and keep safe. Thank you.